like this.
Oh, that's cute.
Velcro.
I bet she has a cool job. All those birds. I wouldn't mind to have a job like that. They'd probably peck the death out of me. Finally patience out of me. I get tired of waiting for things.
I'm used to waiting on things.
I get impatient when I have to wait for Ryan or I have to wait for Doc to go
Maybe just
somewhere.
start waiting on you too. You take forever, probably.
Anyway,
I do.
Yeah, I do too. Ryan says, "You gonna get dressed yet?" I said, "Yeah."
Get out of anything.
Ryan thinks I'm just going up to the concert. There's no concert.
Men don't have anything to do but put on their pants and their shirts and shoes and they're ready to go.
Yeah.
Women put on makeup, I do. Men don't have all that to do.